So most of us have been aware of this ivermectin stuff for probably the last 4 years. And believe it or not, my wife actually started using it just a little bit about 4 years ago. So today we decided to jump back on this train because from what I'm hearing, it has a lot of medicinal benefits, even though it's made for horses, for deworming. Apparently, it has the same effect in the human body and does a good job of reversing a lot of ailments. So today was our first shot of using it. So we're going to be doing 3 days on. Also, we bought a animal probiotic, several things. There's a cream that you can put on your skin. From what I'm understanding, there's a lot of things that they make for animals that don't have the fillers and the additives that actually work better than the stuff that you get from the doctor or over the counter. So we're going to try this ivermectin thing as well as the probiotic that they say actually gets deeper in your gut than any over the counter human made probiotic. So I was actually learned a lot today at one of the tractor supplies from a lady that grew up as a farmer who educated us tremendously on these types of products. And she told us a lot of stories about there's a lady that comes in the store that she hides some of the ivermectin for her, and she was saying that this lady was on death's door, like grayish colored skin. And every time she sees her, she's like the picture of health now. So I do believe that there's something there, and I believe that God has given us everything that we need on this earth. It's just a lot of it has been suppressed to keep us from being healthy. So this will be day one, and I got another round tomorrow, and then another round Sunday, and then we're going to do 4 days off. We're also taking a binder, which is like a heavy metal powder that we got. We're not doing the charcoal. We have a powder that's also a binder, but it's made just for sucking out all the aluminum products out of your body. So